In the beginning, a name of Allah who is most almighty and most merciful. So in this video, I am going to tell you about div element and classes, attribute and IDs attribute. Simply, I am going to come in my VS Code, and after coming here, I will make a new file that will be named by 6.html. There will be an enter, control B, exclamation mark, and document name will be HTML, and I will come down in my body. I will tell you what is div element. Div element is equal to a group, type of a group. If we can take the example of container. When we add a div, like I write a div, in div I write something that, for example, I write h2 and I write a subhan, and I will come here outside from the div. I will write a h2 and h2. I will name it subhan. These are the same one. I am going to tell you that what is different about these two. For example, I am going to simply come in my inspect and I will tell you about it. I am in my screen. Wait, I have to edit, and wait, I have to plus it. I'm going to come. Wait, I'm going to come here, but this is so much smaller. I have to come here like this. You can see there is subhan. Div. I'm going to simply come here and put the mark. This is the first div, that is so much long, and this is the second div. This is simply a h2 with div. As you can see, there is a warning that shows that there is a div, but in the second one there is no div. That is a attribute that simply makes the first div a group. We can add more h2, more anchor tags, more attributes to add this. So simply, I want to come here and wait a second. I have to see something. 1, 2, and now 3. I have to see something that I had 4.html and then 5, 6. So that was the div one, and first I have added one more chapter, that is attribute, the link tag. Link tag is equal to the tag. If we click it, so it has been linked with another file. When we click it, so it will take us to another file. For example, I will write here A has the file name will be index.html will be not, that will be 3.html, and I am going to name it home page. That will be home page. Save it and simply come here. That will be home page. If I click it, I will be in the favicon one. Simply, that is anchor tag. Simply, that is called in attribute code. In easy language we can say anchor tag, but its form is basically hypertext. So I will now telling you about class. Class is equal to a attribute, ID attribute. Means class used for CSS. Class used for CSS, and in CSS we will not going to write what class A after the properties. No, we are going to write class is equal to dot, the short form of class. We are going to write a dot A or dot B and anything else. Simply, how can we make a div with its class? Like dot A I had written, there will be automatically a div. So that is a div with a class. Simply, if I want to have h2, if I want to give dot class B in h2, I will write h2 dot B, enter. So the H to have a class B. This is the simple thing we can add class in easy way. So what is ID? To put the ID is same, these are same, but ID used for JavaScript and ID is equal to the short form is hash. But we can use this thing to, like we can use the class in JavaScript too and the hash in CSS too. But that is necessary of the programming that we have to use class in CSS and ID in JavaScript. Simply I am going to write here. I am going to write here hash. Wait, I have written here hash A. So there will be a ID with A. If I write here H4 hash B, so there will be a H4 with hash B. If I come here, I am going to simply write a class here, save it. I am going to give there is a div A. I am class div H2. I am going to write a hello. So simply wait, there is a W here. I am going to write a hello, save, and I am in my screen. Left click, come into inspect. We are in inspect, come to console. If I come here and what is my ID? First I am going to see the class A. If I write a dot A and to the end, wait, I will write only A to the end and enter. So that is going to show me that there, if I write here only A and go to the end, there will be a enter. It is going to show me that is a div with hash A. If I come here, if I write here B, so in the end it is going to show me there is a div with hash B. If I write here dot A, so wait. If I write here, if I finish the IDs here, like if I do the class C, write here, wait, I will refresh it. I am going to on it again, go live, and I am in my live server. As you can see too, I am in my live server. So if I come and go to the inspect, enter, and in the console I write here C, and I will write here C, enter. So it will going to show me the wait. There will be a C. That C is a Subhan class, enter. So it is going to show me Subhan. So this was the IDs, classes, and anchor tag. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to press the red subscribe button. I will meet you in next video and Allah Hafiz.